You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that is very often mispronounced, a name of German origin. Originally, we need to hear the German pronunciation. It's pronounced as Scherer. Scherer. That's German pronunciation. In English, therefore, it's generally pronounced as Scherer. Scherer. Do you pronounce it any other way, as in Scherer, perhaps? Where are you from? Let us know your pronunciation in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.